नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में है। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। सो ऑल द थ्री मेजर यूएस इंडाइसेस ट्रेडेड मोस्टली हायर फॉर मच ऑफ द थर्सडे सेशन बट लॉस्ट मोमेंटम लेट इन द डे, ultimately finishing near the flat line. The yield on the benchmark 10-year Treasury note initially surged to its highest level in over 3 months before retreating as the session progressed. The pullback in yields briefly lifted market sentiment, but buying interest faded towards the close. Currently, the daily RSI of the S&P 500 is trading flat, which indicates consolidation. Going ahead, the zone of 5,900 to 5,920 will act as a crucial hurdle for the index, while on the downside, the zone of 5,820 to 5,800 levels is likely to act as an immediate support. Talking about Brent crude ended on a negative note for the second consecutive trading session, and it is comfortably trading below its 20-day EMA level. Going ahead, the zone of $65 to $65.2 is likely to act as a key resistance. On the downside, the zone of $63 to $62.8 is expected to provide an immediate support. Talking about the US dollar index, the US dollar index witnessed a minor pullback and ended the Thursday session with a minor gain of 0.21%. Going ahead, the 20-day EMA zone of 100.3 to 100.4 will act as a crucial hurdle for the index, while on the downside, the zone of 99.2 to 99 will act as an immediate support. Talking about Nifty's view, on the weekly expiry day, the benchmark index Nifty opened with a downside gap and extended its decline in the early trade. However, it found support near its crucial 20-day EMA and staged a sharp recovery of nearly 150 points. Finally, Nifty settled at 24,609, down 0.82%. On the daily chart, it formed a bearish candle with a noticeable lower shadow, signaling buying interest near the key moving average. आगे जाके 24,500 to 24,480 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट के रूप में काम करेगा। अगर इंडेक्स 24,480 के नीचे फिसलता है तो अगला क्रूशियल सपोर्ट 24,350 to 24,330 के जोन में मिलेगा। वही ऊपर की तरफ 24,720 to 24,750 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इंपॉर्टेंट हर्डल रहेगा। अगर इंडेक्स 24,750 के ऊपर सस्टेन करता है तो शॉर्ट टर्म में 24,880 का लेवल टेस्ट करने की संभावना है। ऑन द डेरिवेटिव फ्रंट, द मे फ्यूचर्स डिप बाय 0.72%, while the combined open interest for the current next and far series surged by 1.74%. The 24,700 strike has significant call open interest, followed by the 24,800 strike. On the put side, 24,500 has a substantial open interest, followed by 24,400 strike. For the monthly series, OIPCR is at 0.83. Talking about Bank Nifty also found support near its 20-day EMA and rebounded sharply, recovering 365 points from the raised low. On the daily chart, it formed a bullish candle with a minor lower shadow, indicating intraday buying interest. आगे जाके 54,600 to 54,500 का जोन एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट के रूप में काम करेगा, जबकि ऊपर की तरफ 55,200 to 55,300 का जोन एक इम्पॉर्टेंट हर्डल बन सकता है। Talking about Sensex view, the benchmark index Sensex also mirrored this pattern, rebounding after taking support near its 20-day EMA, reinforcing the importance of this technical level across the broader market. आगे जाके 88,600 to 85,000 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट के रूप में काम करेगा, जबकि ऊपर की तरफ 81,300 to 81,400 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक क्रूशियल हर्डल होगा। On the derivative front, the weekly futures dipped by 0.71%, and the open interest of the current series has surged by 27.67%. The 81,500 strike has significant call open interest, followed by the 82,000 strike. On the put side, 80,500 has a substantial open interest, followed by an 80,000 strike. The OIPCR is at 0.63. Talking about the key market indicators on Thursday, the volatility gauge India VIX ended at the 17.25 level with a loss of 1.65%. Currently, it is oscillating near its 20-day and 50-day EMA level. Going ahead, the zone of 18 to 18.2 will act as an immediate hurdle for the index, while the zone of 16.8 to 16.5 will act as a crucial support. The advanced decline ratio is tilted in the favor of decliners. Talking about the key sectors, technically sectors like Nifty India Defense, CPSE, PSE, Metal, PSU Bank and Realty are showing strong setups and are likely to outperform in the short term. On the flip side, Nifty FMCG slipped below its 200-day EMA level, hence we believe it is likely to outperform in the short term. Talking about the FI/DI data in the cash segment, the FI is sold to the tune of 5,045 crores, while the DI is bought to the tune of 3,715 crores. The FI's long-short ratio for index futures is at 31.94. As on a net basis, they sold 17,720 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.